Hi guys, me Nisha from Perfect Homes. So today I would like to show you guys the single beautiful house right here. It's really good locations. This house have 3 bedroom and 2 bathroom. This locations is in Chang Khian, Chiang Mai. It's really near CMU, near Niman, and then near Convention Center as well. And this house is in front of the mountain. It's really nice view, guys. I would like to tell you guys this house is have the land is 212 square wah, and then inside is 156 square meters. So let's take a look inside. So when you walk here, it have a really big land. So in right here is have a really open garden. So you can turn to be a pool or you can be a gardener. It's really nice. Then this side is have a parking space, so with the shade, so you don't have to worry about your car getting rain or just be chill, right? So let's take a look inside of the house. So let's take off the shoes first. So this is this one. So when you come into the house, so it's have the open space right here. I think the owner they do to be chill, and then they put shoes as well. So you can turn to be a yoga room or working space, or either like reading space, because you can see the view from outside, like if you turn the garden or the mountain view as well. So let's take a look inside the house. So come on in, and here is when you walk in, so you're gonna see the living area. So living area is really open space right here, so you can put TV, put TV here, and then sofa here as well. This is the real one. So if you like in the winter, I know winter in Thailand is not that cold, right? But if you would like to have some like if you want to turn fire, you can turn as well, so it's can usable. And then right here, so the owner they put the dining table here, so you can have a dinner, have lunch together with your family in the living area. So let me show you guys a bedroom. So come on in. So right now I'm here at the first bedroom. So I want to show you guys this first bedroom first. It's really open space. So if you can see, you can put the 5-foot bed in here or 6-foot bed in here as well. And then I really like this room because this is have the window, so you can see the nature, or you can open it. They have the mosquito nets as well, so to protect the mosquito. Very nice, isn't it? So let's go to take a look to another bedroom. But before I go to another bedroom, so I want to mention that they have a bathroom between 2 bedrooms, so you can use in chairs together. So the owner do is really nice well for the bathroom, because it's really bright and light. And it is a shower, and then of course here they have a hot water and cold water system as well. And then let me show you guys another bedroom. So they have a secret door to go to. So right here is another bedroom. This room is quite nice, but the one thing that I like, they have a really big window. I don't think it's a big window. I think it's like a door, so you can open to be, the area sometimes is really cold, so you can open it, and then you don't have to turn on the AC or the fans at all. Save electricity bill, right? So, and you can see the green from the outside. Alright, so now I'm here as the master bedroom. If you guys can see, it's really open space, right? Wow. And then they have a door to go outside as well, and then all the window to make it to open space to be light from outside. And if you see it, every window in this house, they have a mosquito net. They have like a mosquito net, like a bug net as well for protections from the bug outside to be inside. Because you know why? Because it's a lot of tea and then nature, and then of course it's really easy that the flies come into the room. And this is an open space for the master bedroom, and then of course they have some small storage, so you can put clothes, you can put some stuff in here, right here. All right. And then if you can see, maybe you have a questions what it is, Nisha. So of course it is the heater. It's not a lot of house in Thailand they have a heater, because of course the winter is not that cold, but the owner of course they put in, because sometimes when they feel really cold, so they can turn on the heater to make it warm. So let's take a look to the bathroom. So this is the bathroom, white and clean, of course, and of course it have a hot water and cold water system as well in this bathroom. Alright, you might ask where is the kitchen. So I'm gonna go see the kitchen, show you guys the kitchen. Come on in. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys around the house. So if you can see, the owner is put the tiles from between in front of the house until the end of the house. And then as I mentioned to you before, it have one bedroom there. You can open this because the wind is really nice, come and go. It's really full, the wind flow around here. And then of course it's really nice to maintain if you just put the water to the tea right here. And then of course they have a really nice rock. As I mentioned you before, that I'm gonna show you guys the kitchen. So let's go. So it's easy to walk, and the kitchen is outside of the house, and it's like a small room right here as the kitchen. You can see it's really nice. They have a two sink right here, and then they have a gas stove, and then they have a heater as well. So and then everything you can put in here, so it's keep it clean, not too messy. And then I'll show you guys another room. As this one, they have a washing machine room as well. And then there's a little bit storage, so you can turn to be put some storage up here outside of the house. And then yes, this is the behind the house. This owner, they put the tile. Of course it's really good to maintain, I guess, because like it's just, you just have to be clean by mop or whatever. And then here's really nice, isn't it? So what do you guys think about this beautiful single house? So this house is really great locations. It's near CMU, near Niman Hemins, and near Convention Center as well. So an important thing is really nice in front of the mountain. So I would like to remind you again, this house is have 212 sq.wah from the outside of the land, and inside is 156 square meters. So, and of course, if you have any questions or would you like to see this house, please contact me on this phone number or either comment down below. So it's just really nice if you want to see this house. And then please don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel Perfect Home, and then I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.